This is a set of the Milwaukee Holedozer saws. We got this kit so we could drill some holes into our new shelving unit we're building. The holes will allow us to fish our media cables through and keep them neat and tidy and out of view. This kit comes with 5 Holedozer saws of various sizes, an arbor, and a pilot bit. Housing all the pieces is this convenient case that comes with a handle so you can bring the kit from site to site. Let's go ahead and open up the kit to take a closer look at it. First up, we have a guide listing different hole saw sizes and the corresponding recommended RPMs. And inside, we also have a hex shank that should fit most power drill chucks. It comes with a fasten nut, and we also have a pilot drill. And here's the 5 hole saws. The size for each is etched onto the hole saw. We got the 7/8 inch. We also have the 3/4 inch, the 1 1/8 inch, and this is the 1 inch. And then we have the largest one for the doorknobs at 2 inches. And here's a quick demo of one of the hole saws. This is a 7/8 inch one, and we'll just screw that in. And then we'll insert it into our Bosch cordless drill. And for those of you interested to know, the Bosch cordless drill we're using is model number GSR18V-190. So here we're drilling a small hole into one of our wood boards so we can run our media cables through. The hole was very quick to drill, and we have the hole now placed exactly where we want it. Now let's go ahead and check to make sure the hole is big enough to fit our cable through. Looks like it's perfect, and we'll actually be able to fit a second cable through as well. And here's another hole we're drilling. This hole is being drilled in the middle of our wood board rather than towards the edge like the other one. So we put some painter's tape onto the wood board before drilling just to ensure we get the cleanest cut we possibly can. And here's what it looks like. It's perfect, and here's what it looks like on the other side of the wood board.